Hey girl, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a review on a concealer, not a foundation. I know my foundation Fridays have been doing well, but today we are going to be doing a concealer because I got a brand new one that I did in my haul, which you probably won't see for another week or so. But this is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Instant Coverage Matte Concealer. So Too Faced came out with this right before quarantine hit, and I wasn't able to get my hands on it because Sephora at where I was at wasn't carrying them in store yet. And with foundations and concealer, I don't like to order them online. I like to go in store and do a shade match, try to get the correct shade match. So I'm glad I waited because I probably would have ordered something that wasn't right for me. Before we get into today's video, as always, please be sure to hit that subscribe button to join the KP family, and also comment down below on what foundation or concealer or primer you would like to see next. Without further ado, let's get into today's video. So for today's concealer, it is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Instant Coverage Matte Concealer. I got this in the shade Honeycomb. This claims to hide redness, dark spots, blemishes, acne, and dark circles. This super pigmented, waterproof, crease-resistant, nourishing formula is enriched with porcelain flower extract, vitamin E, and hyaluronic acid to blend seamlessly into skin for a flawless, soft, focused matte finish. If it has vitamin E and hyaluronic acid, it's gonna keep me hydrated throughout the day, but also hopefully over time, it'll fade my acne scarring and any dark areas that I have. So this is probably gonna be really good to use over dark area. That's something I wouldn't be able to tell for you guys in one use. I would have to use it for like a month straight to see if I get any difference in my skin. So this claims to be crease resistant for 12 hours. I don't know if I really want to test that because I don't know if I trust that. For me, I'm just so used to powdering my concealers, no matter if it's creaseless or not. But supposedly you can wear it without powder. If you guys are just like, I don't really care for powder, I'm gonna go ahead and test it out for you guys today. I just personally would not wear concealer without powder just because that's, I don't know, I get oily, especially if this has hyaluronic acid in it. It's probably gonna make me a little bit greasy or oily throughout the day. It's just gonna keep me hydrated, but it may get a bit oily. But it does say it is a matte concealer. So this is where I'm kind of just like, wait, what? Like hyaluronic acid, matte, I don't know if that really goes together, but we'll see. It claims to be waterproof and it is long wearing, and it also is sweat resistant. So I am using the Born This Way foundation. It is my absolute favorite foundation. You guys know I've gone through at least 4 or 5 of these. I've gone through at least 5 of these. I've probably gone through more than 5. Anyway, it does have hyaluronic acid in it as well. It is hydrating, long wearing, photo friendly, but it isn't waterproof or sweat proof. So that's my only concern. Okay, honestly, we'll probably just wear it as is and then go throughout the day and see how that goes. I just know for a fact, because I have oily skin, that if I do not set this with the powder, it's not gonna be my friend. So I don't know, we're gonna have to see. So I got this in the shade Honeycomb once more. It does come in a cute packaging. Honestly, this is my favorite kind of packaging for concealers, when they don't have like a black top. I don't mind the black top like the Anastasia Dip Brow, but there's something about a light pink top with a glass jar that I'm just like obsessed with. I love this packaging. Right off the bat, it does look creamy, but it doesn't look like it would be mattifying. So I'm a little concerned about that. Now there's a few ways I can apply this: with my finger, which is typically what I would do if I saw this, a brush, which I don't have a clean one, so I'm probably not gonna, you know what? No, I actually do have a clean one. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is apply it with my finger and then go over it with the sponge. I'm gonna do a brush on the other side. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna take my ring finger, clean ring finger, swirl it in there a little bit. And we're just gonna take this underneath my eye. I did get this as a highlighting concealer. So as far as like my acne scarring goes, I don't know if I'm really gonna like that over it, because I did not get a concealer that's going to match my skin tone. Oh, this smells amazing, by the way. It definitely erases any dark circles or bags that I have under my eyes. I typically don't have a lot, but I've been working a lot more lately, and sleep is just kind of weird for me. I do get sleep, but I just like, I don't know. It does wake me up. It does brighten my under eye. I really like that. It's not mattifying though. So I don't know about the matte. Maybe when it dries down, it'll dry matte, but I'm not so sure about that. So now I'm gonna go in with the other side. I'm taking an Ofra Professional Makeup concealer brush. Okay, so applying it with the brush definitely gets more pigmentation on there, but as far as blending goes, this is not the right brush for that, so I'm just gonna blend it with a sponge. Okay, so this is initially what it looks like, and I really like the coverage that it gives me. I like that it hydrates my skin, but I'm not so sure about matte. We're just gonna have to see. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face and come back and head out the door. Oh, mind you, it is raining today, so welcome to June in Texas. This is what my face looks like now. Is it mattified? I don't want to say it's like completely mattified. It still looks a bit like creamy on my under eyes, but it looks pretty good. So far hasn't creased. It honestly looks like my skin. I really like that. So I am getting a medium to full coverage off of this. When I use a brush, it does come out full coverage, so I really like that. It really does highlight the underneath of my eyes, and it makes my skin look really nice. Have not powdered, so we're gonna see how long this lasts. Now, will this dry out a lot faster? We'll have to see, because I noticed that makeup like this in little containers like this, they tend to dry out faster. I don't know why, but yeah, so it is currently 2:19. I'm gonna go eat. We're gonna head out through the day. My lipstick is probably going to come off at the end of the day. I'm gonna try to reapply it later, but I am going to update you guys in a few hours. Let's get going. I need to go. All right. Hey guys, so it is currently, wait, what time is it? It is currently 5:30 in the afternoon, and this is what my face looks like. I think it looks pretty good. My mask did take off a bit of makeup. I want to say I got lipstick on my chin, and I want to say it did take off some from the nose area and right here on the nose. But so far, my face is actually looking pretty good. I'm honestly surprised. Does it look matte where the concealer is? I don't think so, but it does make my skin look pretty good. Like, I like the way my skin looks today. So I'm really excited about this concealer and the foundation put together. So yeah, so this is my check-in, my first check-in. I think the next thing I'm gonna do is probably check in with you guys one more time, maybe around 8 p.m. and then close it out around midnight. So my little pile of laundry over there. So it is currently 8:45. I meant to do this before the sun went down. The sun literally just went down like 10 minutes ago. And yeah, I was online shopping because I want to do a clothing haul. Hi! Weirdo. And this is what my face looks like. It is a bit oily, but besides that, it looks pretty good. I really like it. So I will update you guys in a couple of hours. Just finished watching Avengers Endgame. I still think Infinity War is better. And I will see you guys in a minute. I got an Oreo Blizzard, which is now melting. And I am looking for clothes on Shein so that I can do a cool little haul and fill up my closet. So it is currently 12:30, like 12:40 in the morning, so it's been a full 10 hours of wear. I do have to say it kept my under eyes fully covered, did not crease at all, as you can see, but I don't think it's mattifying, so I definitely would powder it in the future, or if I just want something that looks very natural, I would definitely wear it like this because it does look natural, but because I am oily, you know, I look a little shiny. Okay, it's not the worst. I've looked way worse shiny, but I am definitely shiny. But I do have to say that I do look very natural, like I'm not wearing much at all. So I really do like that. It really does highlight my under eyes. So ultimately, is this worth your money? I definitely think it is. I'll have all the links down below where you can pick it up and all the other products that I use along with this product. But I do have to say that this is probably going to be a top 10 concealer in my collection. I'm really excited to move forward and use this. So yes, along with my favorite foundation, it looks great. I did not work out today though, but it was a super hot day and I just have to say that everything stayed put, so I'm really happy about that, except for the fact that I do look a bit dewy. So yes, all right. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button to join the K-Bae family, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye guys. And finally take off. Oh, I didn't put that on right. Okay, I can finally take off my lashes. I've been wanting to take them off because we're watching movies and I'm getting sleepy and I'm drinking beer, and when I drink beer I get kind of lazy, and yeah, so I'm ready to like take all my makeup off and put my pajamas on and chill. Okay, bye guys.